Hi everyone, today I want to demonstrating a rental management system built for high-end camera shop, and it's called Full Frame Studios. So our my main goals is was to make sure we never run out the broken camera. So in this project I use code booster and focus on using session and hooks to make the gear cycle through the shop automatically. And in here, or in this project, I have 5 tables, which is categories, customers, items, maintenance, and the rentals. So, and the three main roles, and I'm gonna show you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first, I will talk into our as a staff member. In here, as you guys see, my sidebar is pretty simple, just basic for renting gears. I'm going to the rentals, and I'll pick and I will add the data in here, and then oh my god, I forgot to delete this. Okay, it's fine. And then I will pick the customer or select the customer. The example is just go Ezra, and then in here I will uh select the item, and the select item I want is Canon XR8, and then I fill out the start date what I want to start to rent. For the example, I want to start date to rent is 2 November's, and the end date is 4 November. So the total price is 19. Okay, do you guys notice how I don't have to type my name? I just fill out the customer's item start date, end date, and total price, and then it shows processed by it because in the code I use the code booster. I don't know, double dots, I think, double dots my name, what's called, I forgot. So in the code to grab my name from session, it automatically, so when I hit the save, a hook kicks in. It flips the camera status to rented. So let me see on the items. Yep, as you can guys see in here, its status is rented, and immediately creates a record in the I will create a record for the maintenance. So before I want to create the maintenance, let me or let us see what items that the first status is available and the status is rented. So I will make the example this DJI Mavic 4 Pro for maintenance. So in this here, as you guys see, for the drone DJI Mavic 4 Pro, it's actually available, and I want to try to fill the maintenance, and there's still no data, and I will add the data first. In here I will select the drone DJI Mavic 4, and then I fill out the damage date, and I fill out, for the example, is 15 November. The issues description is like the brokens, or to create need to create what, a record for maintenance, that the text know what text need to check out later. So in issue description I will type is maybe, for the example, gimbal broken, and we hit the save. So as you guys see before, on the form maintenance, it actually doesn't show the report cost, right? After we save data, this report cost is 0 because we didn't input the report cost anything. So let's see if the items change status into the maintenance or not. Yep, you can see on the drone Mavic 4 Pro, the status changes into maintenance. So after the change maintenance, the tag accounts will be checked if there's any items needs the maintenance or not. Example, I will change to switch over to technician. So on the sidebar technician, it's only have two menu, items and maintenance. For the items, it's still related for the before, as same before. So technician is basically will for the first time, it will check first what gears or what the camera or what each category needs the maintenance one. And as we example before, in here DJI Mavic 4 Pro need a maintenance for the example. So for the technicians, is, as we know, yeah, their job is to clear the gear for the next persons. So the technician will be fix the gear if there's need to repair. So I'll go to maintenance. So in here I can see the damage state we added earlier before. When I edit the record, I have an extra field for repair cost and the date fix that the staff couldn't see. The best part is, when I fill out the repair cost and the date fix, and fill it out the date fix, Once I put in the that fix and save, let's take a look under the items. What will be happen? A hook check automatically that I'm actually a technician, and then automatically makes that camera or that the DJI drone or camera drone that available again in the item list. So no manual updating needed. So let's we change into the manager. Sorry. So in this manager view, actually they can see everything from the staff transaction to the repair story to the repair history, and then they can edit too, and uh they also can see the customers. They can edit, and they can add the new data, and they can edit the oldest data, and then for the item they can edit the gear one, not only view. Then they can add some new data just like that for the manager. So I want to quickly show you guys the code for the automation that I already show you guys how to do it, and now I want to change in the technicals. So wait a minute. So in my admin maintenance controllers, I use if statement. If privilege ID equals 7, which one the 7 ID number is technicians, it only makes sure that only technicians can trigger that available status. And also in here, like same as the before, here it only if the ID number equals 6, which is the sixth one is ID number for staff. The staff cannot uh change the price, and staff only can view the gear, so they cannot change anything about the price or customer or anything, but or the item, sorry, they only can view. So in the hook, we back again on maintenance controllers. In here I edit some hook. In this hook, so basically, uh after we fill it out the maintenance table, it will create it will grab the tables, the maintenance tables, and automatically update it into oh, into the tables items right here. And the update status were available if there's or if technician are logins. And for rentals, same as maintenance, but in rentals, it only used for staff staff can add the new data, and for the items that rentals grab. So after we fill out the table on the rentals, the items, the data table items will be update status to rent. So I think, oh, the last one, I think, yeah, just for the hooks, I only create the admin maintenance controllers and then the rentals controllers. So I think that's it, guys. Thank you for my attentions. Sorry, thank you for your attentions, and I'm sorry if my explanation doesn't clearly enough. So thank you guys, and see you next. Bye bye.